Hello and welcome to my channel. I wanted to show you a stitch, an idea, just an idea. Many of you, I'm sure you're familiar with this stitch. The stitch is not reversible. This is the front of the work and this is the back, so the stitch is not reversible. But I was thinking, because I like this stitch so much, I want to make a scarf with this. So I was thinking to do with a thinner yarn, which I choose this one. It's a variegated yarn, so this is the ball, the skein. It has 550 meters, so I'm sure it's gonna make a nice nice scarf. But I was thinking to make this in half, just to give you an idea if some of you might like this to do. So I put it in half and then I will sew the long way, as long as the scarf is, and then at the end, after we finish, as long as we want the scarf to be, we're gonna sew the ends, bottom and the bottom and the top, and then we can attach some tassels with this. But this one, the yarn recommends that I should use 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. The yarn is quite thin. I work this one with 3.0 millimeter crochet hook. Working with puffs a little bit, we need half of number bigger or a number bigger the crochet hook. Depends on your yarn, but that's, well, at least in my experience, I like to use half of number bigger the crochet hook, or a number bigger if I use puffs or front post or back post or all that. But I was thinking to do a scarf, and maybe some of you would like to do this as a scarf, and you just put it in half after you finish, as long as you like the scarf to be, and then sew this the sides, because this is gonna be like the spaces between the puffs. And the stitch is reversible this way. I like this stitch so much, but for a scarf, the back is not reversible. For a vest, for a cardigan, for a leg warmer, you can do for a hat. Yeah, but for a scarf, I don't know. So this one is worked with 3.0 millimeter crochet hook, this sample. And this one is worked with 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. So you can even this one put it in half and then sew the sides, the long side, and then you can either sew the bottom and the top, or you just attach the tassels directly without sewing this. But I was thinking maybe it's practical for some of you. If you have yarn and you don't mind, you can, for example, if you have a drafty door, you know, at the bottom, and you can, or window, at the window sill there, you can do this as long as the door is, or the window, and you can sew the sides and then leave one open and stuff this with some material that you don't mind to get rid of. And you can put it at the door to keep the draft coming in. I don't know. Yeah, but I think this one for a scarf, for a leg warmer, for a hat, it's quite easy. This stitch. It's beautiful, it's nice, but well, I want it for a scarf. But how do I make it to be reversible? The only way is like this. To sew the long side and the bottom and the top, and then attach tassels. Just an idea. If some of you feel comfortable this way, if you like this stitch. This one is gonna take me forever, maybe 100 years if I'm still alive by then, to finish this scarf. Working with 3.0 millimeter crochet hook with this thin yarn, maybe next winter I will be done with a load of work that I have. So if some of you like this, give it a try. I don't know if I should do the tutorial for the stitch, because I'm sure you guys know this stitch is familiar, but it's quite nice in cold days to have a scarf like this. It's quite warm and it's thick. Imagine, this is quite thick. Let me see, look at this, it's quite thin, this one, comparing to this. But for this one, maybe you can do it with 4.0 or 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, and it's quite thick. It's quite thick for a leg warmer, for a hat. This stitch is quite nice. So if some of you will like this method, you can try. You can try maybe with any stitch that is not reversible and you like for a scarf. Just have it like this, put it in half. So you're gonna work this as long as you like the scarf to be, and you put it in half. Even a hat, you can do it like this, yeah? And then you close the three sides, 1, 2, and 3. Attach tassels at the bottom and the top, and that's it. Well, I hope you like this this way, and some of you will try any stitch that you like to have as a scarf. Well, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.